Waze versus Google Maps versus Apple Maps. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's explore these apps. So on Google Maps, it is quite useful and quite accurate as well as quite fast. There are some features that are not there on other applications, like you can literally check how much time it would take from place A to place B while you are walking, while you are on train, while you are using a four-wheeler, two-wheeler. There are so many different options to choose from and it is quite good. When it comes to Waze, there are some cool looking features here as well, and you can see some other people who are using Waze as well, but it is slow and it might take a little while before showing a distance from point A to point B, and the cool visuals are of no use as you are driving. You cannot look at the Waze app for the visuals, you have to look at the way you are driving on. So this way Waze is not that great, but it is good to go. Now when it comes to Apple Maps, it is not that accurate as compared to Google Maps, and also all the places are not measured properly and there needs to be data collected by Apple for it to work properly. So as compared to Google Maps, the both apps, which is Waze and Apple Maps, are not that great. Google Maps hands down is the best one as compared to these two. So I hope this short tutorial was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.